Okay, so good day. My name is Sir Gian. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang konsepto ng logic. No, let's talk about logic in this particular given or particular examples. No, mga iba't ibang sets of examples kayong mga mai-encounter. No, so ang una natin pag-uusapan is yung lesson 1 which is entitled Propositions and Symbols. Ano nga ba ang meron dito kay propositions and symbols? So, ang proposition or symbols, no, sa madaling salita, when we say proposition class, it is a statement, no, or sentence or statement which either true or false, but not both. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng true, pwedeng false, no, but not both. No? The propositional variable, it is represented by a lowercase or the capital letter in English alphabet. So, commonly kasi class, no, kapag gumagamit tayo ng mga tinatawag nating variable sa advanced algebra, ang madalas na ginagamit natin or sa algebra is x and y. Now, kapag ang pinag-uusapan natin ay logic, it is all about now ang pinag-uusapan po natin dyan yung propositions, and may ibang letter din po siyang ginagamit. Though pwede rin naman po yung x and y. No, pero may mas magandang letter or kumbaga separated variable po siya. No, most letter used in logic are P, Q, and R. No, yan yung mga madalas na nagagamit na letters when it comes to logic. No, when we say propositional form appears as a sequence of symbols containing propositional variables and logical connectives or logical connectors, no? So, para makabuo tayo ng isang logical sentence or logical propositions, gagamit tayo ng mga tinatawag nating logical connectives or logical connectors na kung saan pwede natin mabigyan ng meaning yung mga binubuo nating sentence according to the propositional given, no? Yun yung mga tinatawag nating propositional form. Now, what are the different kinds of examples of propositions? First, it is raining today. That is an example of proposition. Next, a point has one dimension. It is a propositions also. All dog barks, siyempre. No? And the teachers are all males. No? Hindi naman lahat ng teacher ay lalaki. Meron ding female teacher. So then, you are beautiful. No? Ayan po ang mga sets of example of propositions. No? Kasi it is a set of propositions na kung saan pwede siyang declaration, pwede siyang wish, no? Or pwede siyang parang prediction. Basta pwedeng gawing false statement ang isang proposition, no? Pwedeng sabi nga true or false but not both, either, no? When we say not proposition class, ito ay mga in a way of commanding and in a way of asking, no? Yan. Clean the table before you go. Then, are you hurt? Is there life after death? Di ba? Mga patanong at mga pautos. Yan yung mga not proposition. When we say proposition, pwede siyang gawing, this is a statement na kung saan pwedeng true, pwedeng false, but not both. Okay? Now, meron tayong mga kinds of proposition or mga pagbubuo, no? Types or kinds of proposition. Ang simple proposition, a proposition that, what? That contains one thought with no connecting words. Mga wala silang mga connecting words. No, walang sumunod pa. Kumbaga kapag nagko-complement ka sa isang tao ay isang bagay lamang. Example, Sir Gian is handsome. Okay, so that is a simple proposition. Then next is Mary Ann is beautiful. So that is a simple proposition. Kasi wala ka namang sinundan na another statements or another words or propositions na binigay mo doon sa first statement. Next, Rowena is passing the mathematics. So that is the example of simple propositions. So ano nga po ba yung tinatawag nating compound proposition? Ang compound proposition contains two or more. Okay? Two or more siya. Two or more simple propositions that are put together using what? The connective words. So may mga connective words tayong gagamitin regarding on the given or the given proposition. So example is Sir Gian is handsome and very nice person. So kung napapansin po ninyo class, and meron na siyang another complement or another words, no, na may connective words na siya na kung saan pwedeng mag-describe doon sa subject mo, no? Then Marianne is beautiful and adorable. Then Saul passed the mathematics but he fails in English, no? So ibig sabihin when we say compound, dinugtungan na siya ng another term, no, or another propositions na pwedeng bumuo ng isang propositional form. Okay, next. We have now go for the symbols and logical operations. Okay? So these are the set of symbols and logical operations. So symbols are used to simplify work in logic. If X and Y are the frequently used in algebra, yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo last, sinabi ko lang kanina yan. And then the letters P, Q, or R are often used to represent what? They are represent the propositions and logic. So si P, Q, and R, siya ang madalas pong ginagamit sa logic. Si P, Q, and R, siya yung madalas na letters na nagagamit natin sa logic. Kung hindi siya katulad ng advanced algebra or ng algebra, ay ginagamitan po siya ng tinatawag nating X and Y. Okay? So we have the operations. The operations of propositions or operations on logic is first the conjunction. Ang conjunction class, two simple proposition. Yung dalawang proposition daw ay pagko-connect natin, gagamitin yung words na and. That is conjunction. With this, ito yung kanyang symbol, no? Yung pag ganito yung kanyang symbol, no? Then kapag ino-operate natin yung dalawang proposition using the conjunction, that is P and Q. So example, P is Sir Gian is handsome, and then the Q is Sir Gian is good in math, no? So if we operate this, the P conjunction Q, Sir Gian is handsome and he is good in math. Okay? So yun po yung example ng conjunction. No, and ibig sabihin na nagko-connect doon sa pagkatao ng isang tao. Joke lang. No, basta and ang ginagamit kapag conjunction, no? Kapag may symbol na parang pag ganito, tapos dalawang proposition ng pinag-combine, that is and. You use and as your logical operation. Next, when we say disjunction, two simple proposition connected using what? The word or. So ang disjunction naman class, or ang naman ang ginagamit. So parang letter B siya as you can see on your screen. No, or ang ginagamit. So the symbol was B, letter V, or yung mukhang B. So kung if you want to operate this into statements, that is P or Q. Now, the set of example is Sir Gian is handsome and Sir Gian is good in math. So P, disjunction Q, Sir Gian is handsome or he is good in math. Or kasi nga we are now on this disjunction. No? Next, this one is P, disjunction Q. Pwede rin ito either Sir Gian is handsome or good in math. Kasi nga or ang ginagamit mo. Either, then use or. Neither, use nor if they put some negations on the particular part. Okay. We have now the conditional. Pag sinabi kasi natin conditional class, sa madaling salita, we have the sets of conditions. No? Nagbibigay siya ng mga ilang conditions. No? Para mapatunayang totoo or ang totoo ang isang statements, no? Okay, when we say conditional, two simple proposition connected using what? If, then, which is the symbol of arrow going to right. Okay, yun ang kanyang symbol. Now, the operation would be if P, then Q. Okay, P, then Q. If P, then Q. So, Sir Gian is handsome, again. No? Mag-make sa example ko. Yan, then Q is Sir Gian is good in math. No? So, if Sir Gian is handsome, then he is good in math. So, yun yung P, conditional Q. Then, kung babaliktarin natin siya, Q conditional P, if Sir Gian is good in math, then she is handsome. Okay? So, yun ang tinatawag natin conditional operations. Okay? Next. We have now the by conditional. When we say by conditional, conjunction of two conditional statements where the antecedents and consequent of the first statement been switched in the second statement. Now, when we say by conditional, if and only if ang ginagamit. P, if and only if Q. So, example is P, Sir Gian is handsome, and Q, Sir Gian is good in math. No? If P by conditional Q, Sir Gian is good in math, if and only if, kasi we are using the what? We are using the by conditional symbol. So, Sir Gian is handsome, yan yung statement P or proposition P. Then, if and only if, yan yung arrow. Sensya na kayo sa sulat. And then, he is good in math. That is statement Q or Q. Okay? So, Sir Gian is good in math, if and only if he is handsome. Q by conditional P. Now, we have now on the negation. Ang negation class, siya ang magsasabi ng not or false statement sa isang true statement. Or false statement ang magsasabi ng true. So, basta babaliktarin mo siya, kaya nga tinawag siyang negation. No? The symbol of, yan, yung symbol niya parang pag ano, hindi nakalimutan kong tawag dyan eh. No? Not P, not Q. Yan ang mga pag when we use the operation of negation that is not. So, if proposition P is Roy is good in math, then Sergian is handsome is statement Q. Kapag ninegate mo si P, Roy is not good in math or statements that gives false on the given propositions. Okay? Si Roy, pwede siyang Roy is good in English. Kasi nga, ninegate mo siya. Okay? Q, Sergian is not handsome or Sergian is beautiful. Joke lang, baka ninyo. Next. Yan. So, yung isa, plus, hindi naman kasi problema itong part na to, tsaka to. Nilagyan ko lang kasi siya ng, actually, pareho lang po yung Q na may parenthesis at Q na walang parenthesis. Magkaparehas lang sila. Kumbaga, ginagamit lang natin kapag nasa labas siya ng kapag nasa labas siya ng parenthesis, it is not the case that. Gagamitin natin siya. No? So ito, negation P, negation of quantity P and Q, it is not the case that Roy is good in math and Sergian is handsome. No? It is not the case. So, ibig sabihin, wala, hindi totoo. Or parang it is false. No? Parang walang tama dyan. No? Okay? Next. Yan. Please do review all the summaries, that is connectives, yung mga connectives and symbols, then conjunction for the summary of our lesson for this video. Okay? So, let us proceed now to the sets of example. So, let proposition P is she is beautiful and proposition Q is good in math. And then the proposition R is she is admirable. Write is symbolic statement in words. So, yung una is P conjunction Q kasi nga conjunction, pa ganyan. So, ang statement niya is, she is beautiful and good in math. And, kasi, yung symbol of and is here. Yan. So, yung she is beautiful, it is for statement P or proposition P. And then, yung good in math, she is for proposition Q. Okay, next. P disjunction R. Disjunction. Pag sinabi natin disjunction, ang ginagamit natin dyan ay or. She is beautiful or admirable. Okay? Or either, pwede yung either she is beautiful or admirable. Okay? Next, P conditional Q. P conditional Q. Ang gagamitin po natin kapag conditional or yung arrow going to right is if then. So, if she is beautiful, statement P, if she is beautiful, then yung arrow going to right, pasensya na kayo kung pangit ang magiging sulat niya, she is good in math. So, she is good in math, that is statement Q. Now, on the number 4, Q by conditional P. Pag binasa natin siya, she is good in math, conditional proposition Q, if and only if, yan, if and only if, pasensya na sa arrow, if and only if, the statement P, which is, what is statement P? That is, she is beautiful, no? Yan. So, tama lang po siya. Okay, next. Okay, so in number 5 statements or set of statements, we have the negation of P and Q, no? So negation of P and Q po siya class, okay? So we are now rate each symbolic statement. So which is same statements pa rin po tayo or set of propositions. So since may negation doon sa labas ng quantity of P and Q, so it is not the case that, no, it is not the case that, so that is symbolized for this, no, that or negation, that she is beautiful, so that is a statement P, then yung and, yung symbol niya then, and good in bad. So parang ang mangyayari, naka close parenthesis ito. So it is not the case. Ibig sabihin when we see, kasi kapag ang dalawang statements or dalawang proposition ay may connectives, at the same time meron din siyang negation sa labas, no? Magiging negative or magiging false ang labas ng statement nung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So kung wala yung negation diyan, ang mangyayari, she is beautiful and good in math, no? So pwede rin ito, yung i-distribute mo yung negation symbol, no? Negation symbol doon sa bawat letter. So, magiging negation P and negation Q. Okay? So, she is not beautiful and not good in math. So, ganun ang mangyayari. So, pwede yung dalawang yan. Basta ang importante, kung ano ang tinatanong ng variable, dapat i-connect nyo siya. Example yan, yung napapansin nyo sa number 5. No? Sa number 5, P and Q. Pag P and Q lang ang given, syempre, she is beautiful and good in math. Now, since may negation siya sa labas, gagawin mo siyang false statement. Kaya ang mangyayari, she is not beautiful and not good in math. Pero sa totoong buhay, walang pangit, walang hindi maganda at walang hindi magaling sa math. Kahit i-hate mo yung math, magiging magaling ka rin. Okay, so number 6 is P. P, conditional negation Q. So how can we state that? If she's beautiful, statement P, she's beautiful, no? Then, eto siya, she's not good in math. So that is negation Q. Si negation Q naman po ang gagawin ninyong false statement. So napapansin niyo si P, pag walang negation, I think technique. Kapag walang negation symbol, kopyain yung proposition. Kapag walang negation, gawing false yung mismong proposition. Sa number 7 naman, P, conditional conjunction Q. No? Paano siya? Okay, ito ang tamang sagot. If she is beautiful, tandaan nyo class, kapag may arrow na siya na going to right, yung first word niya is if. Kapag yung going to the right yung kanyang arrow. Beautiful, then she is admirable and good in math. So, if she is beautiful, then, yung arrow, she is admirable, she's admirable, statement R, and good in math. The good in math is stated as Q proposition. So, kung titignan nyo siya mabuti, ganito po yung kanyang itsura. Okay? Yan, may question. Sana nagigets mo yung videos na ito or itong video na to. Okay, so let us proceed now to another set of example. Okay, so now we are now on the another set of examples, no? So mga sets of examples natin class ay makikita po ninyo sa inyong mga screen. Wow, sa inyong mga screen. Okay, so sa another set of example, babalik tayo naman natin. Words naman siya from the symbolic, no? Sabi, write each symbolic statement. Sorry, hindi yan yung statement. No? Balik tayo lang natin siya. Yeah, binura ko na siya. Sorry class. Ayan. So, burayin natin siya. So, ang statement, write each sentence into symbolic logic, no? So, Hannah loves Tom, if and only if Jane can swim. Ngayon, ang unang technique dito, class, ang tingnan nyo muna yung ginamit na connectives. So, ang ginamit na connectives is if and only if. So, ano nga ba ang pwedeng, ano ang symbol ng if and only if? That is biconditional. So, gagamit ka ngayon ng tinatawag nating double arrow from going to left and going to right. Now, Hannah loves Tom. Hannah loves Tom. Para saan yon? Para sa kaninong proposition siya? That is proposition R. No? And then Jane can swim. Jane can swim. Proposition P. Now, ang tamang sagot dyan ay ito siya. No? Inaano ko lang siya. Pinakita ko na rin yung sagot at the same time para maintindihan nyo kung bakit ganun din po yung kanyang propositional symbol. Next, number 2, it is not the case that Tom plays guitar and Hannah loves Tom. So, it is not the case. So, when we say it is not the case, class, meron na siyang matik na ano yan. May negation symbol na siya. At the same time, meron na din siyang parenthesis. Yung end symbol is going off, pag ganyan. So, Tom plays guitar. No, wait lang, burahin ko lang tong ano. Hindi ko kasi masyadong malaki. Ayan. So, it is not the case that this is your negation symbol. Then, Tom plays guitar. Tom plays guitar. So, that is Q statement. And then, yung Hannah loves Tom. Ang daming maingay sa mundo. Charing. Yan. So, yung Hannah loves Tom, yan ay statement R. So, sa madaling salita, since hindi naman pwedeng maging negation yung Q, hindi naman nakadikit sa negation it is not the case. So, we use the parentheses. It is not the case that Tom's play guitar, that is statement Q, and then Hannah loves Tom, that is statement R. Okay, so that is the correct symbol for the number 2. Now, on the symbol number 3, neither Jane can swim nor Tom plays guitar. Neither Jane can swim nor Tom plays guitar. Okay, nor. Ibig sabihin, si Jane hindi nakakaswim or si Tom hindi nagpe-play ng guitar. No, neither kasi. Neither. When we say neither Jane can swim. Neither Jane can swim kasi hindi naman nag-negate Hindi naman siya nag-negate. So, mag-i-stay pa rin siya na P. Tom plays guitar. Wala namang negation or hindi naman nag-negative or naging false ang ano ni Tom. So, magiging Q pa rin siya. So, nasa labas nga lang yung negation symbol kasi neither eh. When we say neither, wala sa kanila. Okay? Next, if Jane cannot swim, yan na, si Jane cannot swim. So, ibig sabihin, si Jane can't swim or cannot swim. Anong statement ni Jane? That is, yan, negation P na siya. Kasi nga, yung negation, gagawing false statement yung isa. Yung value of then is this. Then, Hannah hates Tom. So, binaligtad na si Hannah hates Tom. Dahil kanina love. Ngayon, hates na. So, magiging negation R na po siya. So, the symbol for the number 4 is negation P by conditional negation R. Okay? Next. Okay, class. Sa number 5 naman po sa ating last set of example, Jane can swim or Tom plays guitar. Ano nga po ba ang correct symbol for this logical statement? So, Jane can swim. Jane can swim, hindi naman nabago yung statement P, statement P. Or, ayan, disjunction symbol, Tom plays guitar. So, that is the statement Q. So, the answer is P, disjunction Q. So, sa number 6, if Jane cannot swim. So, kung ang statement niya ay Jane can swim, ang given, so magiging Jane cannot swim. If, sa first statement pa lang may if. So, sa then, may arrow na siya sa part na to. Hannah loves Tom and Hannah loves Tom, then R, statement R, then he plays guitar. Siyempre, si Tom lang naman pinag-uusapan right after this statement. No? So, that is, he plays guitar, that is Q. So, therefore, and yan pasensya na bangit yung ano. And that is, negation P, conditional R, conjunction Q. I hope na sana may natutunan ka po sa lesson natin for this video.